Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.